So the car is thermostat's blank. As you can see, there's nothing on the thermostat, completely blank. And when the thermostat's blank, could be a couple of issues. Drain line, number one. There's no water here. There's a safety switch here that would shut it off, and there's another safety switch right there. There's a little bit of water in there. That could be the cause of it. And need to be cleaned also. As you can see, thermostat came on. Just gotta set up the date. August 16. No idea what time it is. I'm just gonna go with that to get it running. Okay. Gonna turn this fan on just to test it. But I think it's just a drain line that backed up and need to be cleaned. There's water in here. Yep. So I'm gonna go and get my shop vac and clean it up, open the system and get a good cleaning going.